linear equation in one variable. Exercise 6.1. Somebody has asked this question to be, must have tried, didn't get the answer. So one asks for the solution of this question. You see, x minus 5 upon 4 is equal to 3 plus 4x upon 3 minus x minus 3 upon 6. These type of questions, when you have to solve, first of all you find the LCM of the denominator. So denominators are are 4, 3, 6. And now you have to take out the LCM. The LCM, you know how to take out the LCM? 4, 3 and 6. You see, divided by 2, you will get here 2, 3 and then 3. Divide again by 2, you will get here 1, 3 and 3. Again divide by 3, you will get here 1, 1 and 1. So you see, LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 3. That is equal to 2 to the 4, 4 3 to the 12. So LCM is equal to 12. Now, multiplying whole equation by LCM. Multiplying whole equation by 12. So multiply this whole equation by 12. So when you multiply whole equation by 12, so you see 12 into x minus 5 upon 4 is equal to 12 into 3 plus 4x upon 3 minus 12 into x minus 3 upon 6. So this first expression multiplied by 12, equal sign. This expression multiplied by 12. Similarly, this expression multiplied by 12. All terms will be multiplied by 12. Now you see, 4 ones are 4 and 4 threes are 12. 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. So you cancel it. Here you will get 1, here you will get 1 and here you will get 1. So denominator you are getting 1 here, and 3, 4 3s are 12, 3 4s are 12 and 6 2s are 12. Now 3, this implies 3 has to be multiplied by x minus 5. 4 has to be multiplied by 3 plus 4x minus 2 times x minus 3. So this you will get. Now open the brackets. 3 into x, 3x. 3 into 5, 15. Minus sign. 4 into 3 is 12. 4 4 is 16 plus 16x. Minus 2 into x minus 2x. Minus plus 2 3 is 6. So 3 into x, 3x. 3 5 is 15. 4 3 is 12. 4 4 is 16x. Minus 2 into x, 2x, minus plus 2 3 is 6 plus 6. So here you see these are the variable terms and they have to go out on the left hand side and the constants to be brought on right hand. So we have to transpose. So this implies 3x minus 16x plus 2x. 16 goes that side, 16x, so it will become, here it is my positive, equal sign that side, so it will become negative. And your minus 2x goes that side, so it becomes positive. Minus 15 to be got that side, 12 is already there, so it is not transposed. 6 is not transposed, but 15 is transposed. So that will become plus 15. This side you will get 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 7 3, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 5 13, 13 3 carry 1, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3, 32. Here you see 3 plus 2 5x minus 16x. 5 minus 16 is equal to minus 11x is equal to 33. X is equal to 33 upon minus 11. 11 3 is 33. That is equal to 3 upon minus 1. That is nothing but minus 3. The solution is x is equal to minus 3. Next you have to solve this J question. Here you see there it is 2 by 5 and then n minus 4 and 3 by 4, then n minus 6, 7 and here it is 4 and here it is 5. You see, in such question we will use the method of cross multiplication. We will use the method of cross multiplication. So here this to be multiplied by this and this to be multiplied by this. This is called as cross multiplication. This implies 2 upon 5 into n minus 4. This whole expression will be multiplied by 5 into 5 is equal to 4 into 3 upon 4 bracket n plus 7. So you see this expression multiplied by 5 and this expression multiplied by 4. You see here 4 is in the denominator and 4 is in the numerator, so this and this will be cancelled. 5 is in denominator and 5 is in numerator, that will be cancelled. It 1 times and it is 1 times and here it is 1 times, it is 1 times. As a result you get, this implies 2 bracket n minus 4 is equal to 3 bracket n plus 7. Open this bracket, 2 into n is 2n, minus 4 to the 8, and here 3 into n is 3n, 7 3 is a 20. So here you transpose 3n that side, so this gives you 2n minus 3n, minus 8 transpose that side, so minus 8 will become plus 8, plus 21. 28 plus 1 is that will give you 29, and this side you are getting minus n. So n is equal to minus 29. Multiplying both sides with a minus 1, and as a result you get n is equal to minus 29. These two questions, okay? Exercise 6.2, question number 1a. 6x plus 7 upon 3x plus 2 is equal to 4x plus 5 upon 3x plus 2x plus 3. So here you will use first of all cross multiplication. This multiplied by this multiplied by this. That's going to give you 6x plus 7 multiplied by 2x plus 3 is equal to 3x plus 2 multiplied by 4x plus 5. Okay, so you see this multiplied by this and this multiplied by this, cross multiplied. So to solve this you will use the multiplication format that we have been using before. 6x multiplied by this whole bracket, 2x plus 3 plus 7 multiplied by 2x plus 3 is equal to 3x multiplied by 4x plus 5 plus 2 multiplied by 4x plus 5. Okay, so this expression multiplied by this whole bracket, then plus sign, this expression 7 multiplied by this whole. Similarly 3x multiplied by 4x plus 5 plus sign, 2 multiplied by 4x plus 5, 2 multiplied by 4x plus 5. Now open this bracket, so you will get here 6 into 2, 12x square, 6 3 is 18 plus 18x, 7 2 is 14 plus 14x, 7 3 is 21 plus 21 is equal to 3 into 4 12x square, 12x square, 3 into 5 15x, 15x, then 2 into 4 8x, and 2 into 5, that is going to give you plus 10. So here there is positive sign, so you will put positive here, this is positive, 4 to the 8 and then plus 10. Here you see 12x square is this side also, 12x square is this side also, so they will be cancelled out. Now 18 plus 14, 8 plus 4 2, and then 32x plus 21 is equal to 8 plus 5 13, 8 5 13, that is 13 3, 3x, carry 1 23x plus 10. So 15 plus 8 is 23 and 18 plus 24 is 32. 21 as it is, 15 as it is. Now transpose this 23 that side. So this will give you 32x minus 23x is equal to 10 minus 21. 10 minus 21 is minus 11, and this side you subtract. 12 minus 3 is equal to 9. So this is going to give you plus 9x. 12 minus 3 is equal to 9 and 2 minus 2 will be 0, so 9x. This implies 9x is equal to this much. This implies x is equal to divide by 9 minus 11 upon 9. This is your answer. X is equal to minus 11 upon 9 answer. Next you see this question here. So 6 multiplied by 5x. First of all you have to multiply this 6 by 5x. This implies 6 into 5x. 6 into 1 plus 6 into 1 plus x square. So this is your left hand side being solved. 6 into 5x, 6 into 5x, 6 into 1, 6 into 1 plus x square. That is equal to x multiplied by first this bracket x plus 2, then plus 1 multiplied by x plus 2. As in multiplication we have done, the same way we will do it here. X multiplied by whole bracket, then positive sign, 1 multiplied by whole bracket, 1 multiplied by whole bracket. This implies 6 5s are 30x. Here you see 6 into 1 is 6 plus x square. Other side you get x into x is x square, x into 2 is 2x, 1 into x is x, 1 into 2 is 2. You see here this is x square and this is also x square, so x square will be cancelled. Now you see 30 and this 2x plus 1x, that is 3x. So this is going to give you 30x minus 3x. 2x plus x, 3x transpose that side. 2 left here, this side, 6 transpose that side, minus 6. That is going to give you minus 4. And 30 minus 3 is equal to what? 27x. X is equal to 4 upon 27. This is the answer. Minus sign, negative sign is here. This will be x is equal to minus 4 upon 27.